guys. I know it has been a while, but we finally got everything that we needed, so we're ready to cook. So we are going to be cooking some Oreos in the waffle iron, but first we will be wrapping them in crescent rolls. So now I'm going to wrap this up. Make sure you wrap up all the edges. We put this bowl over it so it would keep the lid closed. And now I think it might be done. Yep. So we got it. Now I'm gonna place in the second one. Now shut. Now press just a little. Oh, that bottom. Well, this is how they turned out, guys. So that's the end of the video at first. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye!